Did you know that there is a plugin available for Oxygen XML Editor that allows you to open the edited documents in a WebAuthor test server? This plugin is called WebAuthor Test Server add-on, and once installed, you'll see a new button in the toolbar called Start WebAuthor Server. This action launches a local WebAuthor test server automatically and then presents a dialog that allows you to open the current edited document in a browser from this server. The test server loads the associated framework instantly, so this plugin significantly speeds up the process of customizing and testing frameworks for WebAuthor directly from your local Oxygen XML editor environment. With just a few clicks, you can instantly preview how your XML documents will render in WebAuthor using the exact framework you're editing. So there is no need to manually package or deploy anything. Next, I'll show you how to install the plugin and I walk you through a quick customization example so you can see how efficient your workflow can become. To install the plugin, you can go to Help menu, Install New Add-ons. You have to insert the optional update site available on oxygenxml.com, and then you have to select the add-on and follow the on-screen instructions. Here you can see that my plugin is disabled because I already installed it. Finally, you have to restart the Oxygen XML Editor. Next, I will show you a quick customization example to see how easily it is to check the final result in WebAuthor. For my DITA topic, I want to add support for custom rendering of tips information. And for this, I created an extension of the DITA framework where I already associated a tip CSS file, and I will uncomment the CSS that customizes the way the tips are rendered. You can see here that a highlight is rendered on each tip. Now I want to check how this customization looks in WebAuthor. And I also can make another customization. I want to add an action on the toolbar that inserts a tip. I already created this action and I just have to add it in the insert action sections on the toolbar. You can see that already appeared on my toolbar in Oxygen XML Editor. And now to check the result in WebAuthor, I have to restart the server and then open again the file in the browser. This customization modifies the structure of the toolbar, so it is necessary to restart the server to load the new configuration. Here the toolbar contains the tip action and I already use it. So this plugin is perfect for the following use cases. You can start a new WebAuthor customization. When you have to test an existing Oxygen XML Editor framework for WebAuthor compatibility, or you can use this plugin to make quick adjustments to a production WebAuthor framework without full redeployment. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.